That's why we like the self-driving car. Wow.
Traffic.
That traffic. Terrible.
Yucky traffic.
In Dallas. Headed back to the boat, but we're going to go see a little girl at Texas City. We're headed to Galveston, so we got to drive through Dallas. Well, Tesla's going to drive us through Dallas and then down through Houston and then actually Texas City right north of Galveston, right, Ro?
Think so.
Think so. And my wife is directing the day. I'm along for the ride, actually. She's in charge and the car's driving, so that's it. In Dallas, the pretty lights of downtown Dallas and the terrible traffic, but it ain't bad with the Tesla, is it, baby?
Nope. Not bad at all.
It's what?
It's not bad at all.
I think it is smoother when I put it on the comfort settings, isn't it?
Yes.
Alright. Headed to Galveston. And then I'll be catching a boat Monday, wherever they are. And the river, I've seen the river stages, they're going to be low, so it'll be interesting. Another interesting trip. But we are headed, where we headed, Waco? No, back to what I was saying. Dallas traffic sucks. Look, he cut right in front of him and the car handled it just fine. I said Dallas traffic sucks, but oh my goodness. Yeah, it sucks bad. But the Tesla, man, I'm videotaping and BS and you're playing solitaire and we're on the road. I mean, it's slow, but other than that, it's really not stressful at all. Just let the car do it. It don't brake as hard now, does it? Since I set it to comfort instead of sport. And now we're Houston, baby. What are you doing? Crocheting. Such a sweet girl I married. Such a sweet girl over there crocheting. We're such grandparents, ain't we?
Yep. Gigi's making a hat.
And there's Houston. Went through Dallas, and then we got Houston. Yep, Minute Maid Field.
I had no idea.
What?
There was
Baseball?
a Minute Maid Park.
Yeah, Minute Maid. That's where Astros play.
They won tonight.
Huh?
They won tonight.
Did they play here?
Yeah, it's the World Series.
I mean, were they playing right there tonight?
Oh, I don't know about that.
I don't think so.
I just know they're in the World Series and they won tonight.
Oh, see, there you go. We came to Houston for the party. What up, bro? Little girl.
Hi, Papa.
Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Woo! You see yourself smile. There. You see? Woo! Where'd they go? All the lines up. Gigi, there, Gigi. Texas City area for the weekend. Anyway, catching a boat Monday, probably around Memphis area. Water's low, so it'll be interesting. I'm going to document it all as much as I can. I'm trying to get better at that. Where it's a little bit more consistent, tells us a little bit of the story of my trip. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Appreciate the views and all. And I'm trying to, improve my quality of my videos, and I appreciate all the constructive criticism and all that. But anyway, yeah, that's it. I'll be posting more. Headed to Memphis Monday.